You're working harder than ever before, but your bank account doesn't show it. You've tried budgeting apps, side hustles, and watching countless financial advice videos. Yet somehow, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because you're focusing on the wrong thing entirely. Most people believe financial freedom comes from making more money. It doesn't. The brutal truth? Your income is not your problem. Your relationship with money is. Look around. How many lottery winners end up broke within 5 years? How many professional athletes with multi-million-dollar contracts file for bankruptcy? How many high-income earners still live paycheck to paycheck? The answer? Far too many. Financial success isn't about how much you make. It's about how you think. This isn't motivational fluff. It's the cold, hard reality that most financial experts won't tell you. The wealthy don't just have more money. They have a fundamentally different relationship with it. They see money as a tool, an asset, a seed to plant, not something to be consumed as quickly as it arrives. The transformative shift that separates the financially secure from the perpetually struggling is this: moving from consumer thinking to owner thinking. Consumer mindset. How can I afford what I want? Owner mindset. How can I own assets that generate what I need? This is the fundamental money mindset shift that will transform your financial reality. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about redirecting your focus from what you can consume to what you can own. While everyone else chases paychecks, you need to chase ownership. You've probably felt motivated after watching financial advice videos before. You've made promises to yourself. You've set goals. Yet weeks later, nothing had changed. Here's why. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. Discipline means doing what needs to be done when you don't feel like doing it. It means automatically directing a percentage of every dollar you earn toward investments before you even see it. It means saying no to immediate pleasures that don't align with your long-term vision. It means making consistent, sometimes boring choices that compound over time. The wealthy aren't necessarily more motivated than you. They're more disciplined. They've built systems that make financial success inevitable, not optional. Our culture has conditioned you to chase quick wins and overnight success, get-rich-quick schemes, viral social media fame, meme stocks and crypto pumps. This mentality is keeping you broke. Sustainable wealth is built through consistent action over time, not through gambling on the next big thing. The most reliable path to financial success isn't sexy or exciting. It's methodical and predictable. Every financial decision you make should answer one question. Is this helping me build assets, or is this just another expense? Employees trade time for money. Entrepreneurs build systems that make money while they sleep. You don't need to quit your job to adopt an entrepreneur mindset. You simply need to start seeing yourself as the CEO of your financial life rather than a passive participant. This means treating your skills as a business that can be scaled, not just traded for hourly wages. It means looking for problems you can solve for profit, not just tasks you can complete. It means building streams of passive income alongside your active income. And it means investing in your knowledge and capabilities as aggressively as you invest your money. Here's the framework that transforms financial strugglers into wealth builders. First, secure your foundation by building an emergency fund, covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This isn't just financial advice, it's psychological freedom. Money stress clouds decision-making and keeps you trapped in scarcity thinking. Next, eliminate high-interest debt. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could be working for you instead of against you. Attack debt methodically, starting with the highest interest rates. Then, automate your wealth. Set up systems that automatically direct money to investments before you can spend it. Automation beats willpower every single time. After that, build multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Start with 1 additional stream beyond your paycheck, then expand. Finally, invest consistently, not perfectly. Too many people delay investing because they're waiting to become experts. A simple, consistent investment strategy beats a perfect but delayed one every time. The most dangerous financial obstacles aren't external, they're internal. Fear keeps you clinging to the familiar, even when the familiar is keeping you broke. Impatience drives you to abandon sound strategies before they have time to work. Social pressure pushes you to spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress people who don't matter. Your income breakthrough begins when you recognize and dismantle these internal barriers. Ask yourself, what financial beliefs did I inherit from my family? Are they serving me or limiting me? Many of us are unconsciously repeating money patterns we observed as children. These patterns feel normal, even when they're dysfunctional. Awareness is the first step to breaking them. Financial transformation isn't about knowing more. It's about doing differently. Here's how to start implementing this mindset shift today. Begin by auditing your spending. For 1 month, categorize every dollar you spend as either consumption or investment. This simple exercise will reveal how much of your money is building your future versus funding temporary experiences. Then identify one skill to monetize. What knowledge or ability do you have that others would pay for? Package it into a service or product, even if it's small to start. Next, set up one passive income experiment. Whether it's creating digital products, dividend investing, or renting out an asset you own, start one small experiment in income that doesn't require your constant time and attention. Find your financial accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who will hold you to them. The simple act of declaring your intentions increases your likelihood of following through. Finally, eliminate one financial drain. Identify a recurring expense that's giving you minimal value relative to its cost, and redirect that money toward an asset that will grow over time. True financial transformation isn't just about changing what you do. It's about changing who you are. When you make the shift from consumer to owner thinking, you're not just adopting new habits, you're embracing a new identity. You begin to see yourself as someone who builds wealth, not someone who merely earns money. This identity shift makes financial discipline feel natural rather than forced. You're no longer depriving yourself to save money. You're acting in alignment with your values and vision. So ask yourself this: 5 years from now, will I be financially better off because of the decisions I'm making today? If the honest answer is no, then something needs to change. And that change begins not with your income, but with your mindset. The choice is yours. Will you continue believing that more income is the answer? Or will you embrace the fundamental shift from consumer to owner that truly transforms financial futures? What's the one money belief you need to let go of to move from broke to boss? Share in the comments below. If this message resonated with you, like this video and subscribe for more straight-talking, growth-focused financial content that cuts through the noise and delivers real transformation. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how you think.